Today we are taking a look at Futura's brand new offering. It's not a drop deck trailer, it's a ramp trailer. Check it out right here. Futura has been known for their drop deck trailer design. Now that's got pulley systems and a winch and a battery. It's also, for lack of a better term, gadgety. You have to be careful about what you're doing. You have to pay attention at the track so you're not, burning up your battery, you're not dropping the deck down and re-spooling your cable the wrong way. The ramp trailer from Futura has done away with all of that. It's also kept the price down, which is what we need right now with this economy. As of today's video, this is retailing for just over $13,000 with a stone guard, with a winch, with a spare tire, with straps here at our California store. Now we are stocking this at all 3 stores, so look out for those in our inventory. One thing I really like about Futura is that they've got an entirely perimeter airline track setup, so you can tie down around the entire perimeter of the trailer. You're not set or limited to just specific D-rings and specific locations or tie down points. You can literally strap in anywhere around that perimeter. So here I've got one of the ramps, and they're measuring out at over 8.5 feet long, which is super unique and great because most aluminum trailers have 5 foot, maybe 6 foot ramps. So the fact that these are over 8 feet long is pretty amazing, and it's going to be really important for any low profile car. Of course, you can raise up the jack in the front, lower the rear end, and make it really as low profile as possible. But I did want to show, because I know the questions are going to come about on how these connect to the rear of the trailer, and it's got a hook here, and all you simply do is it just latches on, and that is completely secure, so it doesn't skip out from underneath you when you're loading your car. So if you've got a Raptor, a GT3, and you need a trailer, this is the perfect trailer for you. It weighs in at just over 1,300 pounds, and it's gonna make this trailer easily one of the nicest, if not the nicest, aluminum ramp trailer in the industry, in the entire country right now. So don't sleep on this one. It's a great value for what it is. If you like what you're seeing here, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content to come.